Hello from 3D Systems. In this video, you'll see how to calibrate the print pad on your Cube Pro printer. To start, you'll need the gap gauge and the pair of needle nose pliers that came with your Cube Pro. If you don't have your gap gauge, then an ordinary piece of printer paper will do. First, use the pliers to remove any leftover filament that might be stuck to the print nozzle. Any bits that are sticking out, even tiny ones, might interfere with the accuracy of the print gap. Secondly, double-check to make sure your print pad is seated properly. A good way to check is to run your fingers across the edge. You can also nudge it from side to side. In the Settings menu, scroll to Level Plate. This will run the Z-gap function. You'll be able to move the print jets to 3 sections of the print pad. Beneath each section is a knob that you can turn to raise or lower the pad. Clockwise will bring the pad up. Counterclockwise brings it down. For each section, place the gap gauge between the jets and the pad. Turn the corresponding knob until there is slight resistance, but still enough space for you to move the gauge freely. If you can't move that piece of paper at all, you might have the plate too high. Adjust all 3 corners this way, and you should be good to go. Verify the Z-gap by running the calibration file on your printer. When you're using nylon, it is important to calibrate the printer specifically for this material. There is a specific file that you'll need to download from Cubify.com. It will calibrate your printer to optimize printing with nylon. It is extremely important that you calibrate the printer for nylon. Also, when printing with nylon, it's important to leave a little more space than when printing with ABS or PLA. Too little space can lead to the jet striking the completed portion of the print. Adequate space is important for good layer adhesion and to prevent damage to the jet. Thanks for watching, and have fun printing!